Annyeong chingudeul. Today it's Chuseok here in Korea, so I prepared our simple food. So I'll show you how. This is mugwort Sombion. Already made, so you can just steam it for 10 to 20 minutes or microwave for 3 minutes. Wow, looks delicious. This is a Korean style meatball. You just have to fry it in a fry pan. This is instant JAPCHAE. You can also preheat to microwave for 5 to 6 minutes, or you can fry it on a fry pan for 4 minutes and 30 seconds or 5 minutes to 30 seconds. Then put the sauce. And mix. Last but not the least, this is bulgogi. I will fry it also later. Bulgogi.
A few moments later.
This is Dogani soup, so soup must be placed on the right side together with the spoon and the chopstick, and then rice on the left. I will put the rice. So now it's ready. These are the food for Chuseok. 어때? 맛이 어때? 어때?
맛있어.
많이 먹어. So I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. 안녕.